Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin with safety and precise measurements before lifting a Ram 1500. Wear eye protection, gloves, and steel-toe shoes while working under a truck. Park on level concrete, engage the parking brake and chock rear wheels, disconnect the battery ground. Measure ride height and wheel well clearance, record stock measurements in inches and photograph the suspension. Gather tools, jack stands, torque wrench, impact, socket set, pry bars, spring compressors, and a lift kit with hardware. Read the lift kit instructions fully and check local laws for allowable lift heights. Start installation with the front suspension, then the rear, keeping organized hardware bags. Install the lift kit front components first, following the manufacturer's torque specs, and keep a torque wrench handy. Use a quality floor jack to support the axle and lower control arm when removing springs or original shackles. Never rely on the jack alone. Replace or extend brake lines and ABS sensors to maintain safe function and prevent binding. Inspect shocks, sway bar links, and track bars for required length changes, and install upgraded pieces where necessary. After completing mechanical work, lower the truck and perform a visual inspection of all fasteners and clearances. Get a professional alignment immediately after installation. Camber and toe often need correction to prevent uneven tire wear. Test drive gradually, starting with slow turns and moderate braking over 20 miles to confirm handling, steering, and ABS operation. Retorque fasteners at 500 miles and inspect for leaks, loose bolts, and tire wear regularly. Keep records of lift components, part numbers, and any replaced driveline pieces for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.